UP versus Lasal. Ang UP sa eliminations, number 1 sa defense at number 2 sa offense. Ang Lasal naman number 1 sa offense at number 3 sa defense. Pero lately, grabe ang performance ng Lasal led by Kevin Kiambao. And ang UP naman, despite having off nights from some of their key guys lately, yung depth nila lagi ang nagiging factor sa mga panalo nila. To start the game, quick 7-point start for UP, mostly because of their defense na kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, number 1 defense ng eliminations. Interesting matchup here, si Kiambao ang bantay ay si Alarcon na mas maliit pero mas athletic and may pagkamaligalig sa depensa, medyo disruptive. And when you get stops, especially live ball turnovers, you get easy baskets. Sa play naman na to, after ng basket ng Lasal, nagkaroon ng confusion sa cross-match pagbaba. Wide open, Alarcon 3-pointer. Dito naman for Lasal, sila naman yung nauna sa transition. UP was late to come back, so Alarcon was forced to drop to protect the paint, leaving the corner open. And tong game na to start, grabe yung pace, like shoot or sablay, both teams were pushing the pace and hindi nila inaantay na mag-set yung depensa ng kabila. To the point na hindi na ako sure kung anong nangyayari kasi every time na nanonood ako ng UAAP, laging mabagal yung pace. I mean, okay lang naman, wala akong masyadong play na i-breakdown. Anyway, another turnover, another fast break points. So ang nangyayari, sobrang high scoring game natapos ang first quarter sa score na 29-24 lamang ang UP. To start the second quarter, tuloy pa rin ang takbuhan. Pero this time, yung sa UP, nanggagaling from live ball turnovers ng Lasal, which is yun naman talaga strength ng UP kahit nung eliminations pa. Midway through the second quarter, nagsettle down na yung pace ng game. We're now seeing half-court sets from both teams. Dito, high post isolation for Phillips. And kahit na mas malaki si Malik vertically, may strength advantage si Phillips dito. And again, dito naman si Lopez ang bantay. Siyempre, ayaw mo ma-fall trouble si Diouf. Nice footwork from Phillips, hindi makahelp ng buo si Malik kasi Nwankwo was around the rim also. And here's a play naman from UP. Dribble hand-up from Lopez to an empty side ball screen para kay Kagulangan. 2 on the ball, so si Phillips nag-help to tag the roller, leaving Lopez wide open para sa 3 points. And para sa Lasal, it was Mike Phillips who kept them in the game. Like, walang makamatchup sa kanya sa ilalim. He led his team in scoring sa first half with 9. And natapos ang first half sa buzzer beater ni JD Kagulangan na na-generate because of a paint touch by Harold Alarcon, who was also aggressive nitong first half na to. Simula na second half for UP, it was Francis Lopez who made an impact. Dito sa play na to, post-up para kay Malik. Enough para mag-collapse yung defense ng onte and mabigyan ng long closeout si Lopez to attack. Nice finish and ginamit niya yung katawan niya to shield off his defender. Sa play naman na to, galing sa inbounds. Nice play for Lopez. Back pick from Felicilda and Nele was caught ball watching. A nice detail dito is si Torres nagki-clear out. Dahil dyan yung defender niya, instead na nakafocus mag-help, for a split second na distract siya and sinundan niya si Torres. This is what you call occupying the help or occupying the tagger. And dito sa third quarter, nagsimulang lumobo ang lamang ng UP as much as 24 points. One thing na napansin ko na hirap si Kiambao against Alarcon talaga. Kasi as much as people want to hype up Kiambao playing the 3 position, sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, you have to be practical, kahit konti. Like I always say, kung gusto mo maging wing, kailangan marunong ka mag-dribble, especially against defenders like Alarcon. And grabe talaga depensa ng UP, sobrang disruptive. And through 3 quarters, they've forced 13 turnovers and scored 19 points of those. UP limited Lasal to only 14 points sa third quarter and meron silang naipon na lamang papunta sa fourth quarter. Fourth quarter, nagpatuloy depensa ng UP. Tingnan nyo na lang itong mga clip na to. Literally on a stream.
Dominating the glass, getting that offensive rebound with the putback. Tortulas.
And Phillips loses his balance. He lost his balance. Excellent defense by Diouf and Kagulangan in a loose ball.
Miko and Coach Olsen, as we enter the final minutes of this match, the Green Archers are determined to put up a good fight until the final buzzer sounds.
UP forced Lasal to turn the ball over 18 times. And grabe bench scoring rin ng UP with 41 bench points sa game na to. So, sa fourth quarter, wala masyadong ganap besides UP continuing their superb performance. Nanalo sila sa game na to with a 30-point lead, 97-67.